we go. Oh wait, this one.
Okay.
Sorry. Look at all this airtime I'm gonna get.
Oh, I think I know.
Devin, can you pass it up the line? Look for a kid. Pass it up the line. Look for a kid in an orange shirt. They think they're skipping past the high school. And they don't. They're changing kid orange. Hey, on the loose objects, pull lower that orange up on Freya.
Woo! Oh boy. Yeah, I'm really starting to regret this now.
Oh, please, don't even dare.
Woohoo! Pirates of the Caribbean. Odd.
Look at all these beautiful faces. Let's join those up ahead and find some musicians for our party. We're going to the back.
I need to pee so bad. It's fine. It's not even that cold. I'm gonna regret saying that.
Any fans down here? Come out,
Okay, watch his eye. It follows you. Look at it. He's still looking at you. He's so creepy.
Almost there. Almost there. What?
I didn't know those were the lyrics.
Okay, I forgot the rest of the lyrics, alright? Come on.
I was just observing.
Alright. That's another drop. First drop, let's go.
All musicians, you don't have to find a note. Tell the people not to do this song.
Woohoo! Oh, okay. Not that, okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh, they made it cold right after too. That's great. Down by the bayou. Down by the bayou. Oh, this is so cool.
Tiana wasn't kidding, y'all. This Zydeco band she found can play. Hallelujah!
Wow.
There's a piece of me. I would love for y'all to play at my party tonight.
See the fireflies?
Yeah.
Don't be
Tiana, you were right. The Bayou's got just what we need.
Get a baby bear.
That's pretty cool.
I hope they all come to the party to play. But let's explore a bit more. They sure can play, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
How long can I go?
Oh boy.
Oh, wow, this is cool.
I'm watching.
Y'all ready to get down to 50?
Oh.
Where'd they go?
We lost them.
Where can
We
you
have
go?
to find them.
Huh?
Get, look. What do you notice?
There's a bunch of stuff. A bunch of rocks. What?
Shrunk us. Turned
Oh.
us into frogs.
Oh.
Now we're with all the frogs.
Oh, they stopped us. A little deeper. I'm not sure why it stopped here, but
We could enjoy the dancing.
the other car ahead of us is gone, so. Oh, here we go. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh. Dig a little deeper.
Your fault is gone.
Been there, done that. But you found the sound I was crazy.
Oh boy.
Let's get you big again. Cause the bigger you are, the bigger the splash you'll make.
Ready?
Yep. Oh boy. A little deeper.
Now let's get you to the party. You got there in no time.
Oh! Oh, I got drenched, dude. It got my mouth.
Why was your mouth open?
Because I was screaming. Why else? Oh. Oh, man.
Everything is wet.
Yeah.
Everything is wet.
Oh, God. I can't even see out of these anymore. This is so foggy.
I like tried to cover my face and I didn't cover enough. Here, watch its eye again. It's gonna follow you the entire way. Even when you leave past it, it's still gonna look at you.
Alright.
It's so good.
Most almost there. I'm almost there. That's not that creepy. I know how to do that. Well, no, I mean, I'm just talking about like how to make the effect. Yeah.
Sure. Oh man. Oh, I'm not mixing the water.
That was fun.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
I liked it a lot. I liked it a lot. Oh, there's a little mini drop. Why'd they have that?
You know? Welcome to the Bayou. Tiana and Prince Naveen.
Keeps inching us forward.
Even though I wore a rain jacket, still so cold. Oh, I didn't record that. Oopsie.
It's so cold. We're fine, we're fine, we're fine, we're fine. But I'm so cold. Wonder what they did for this part. Whoa. That's really cool. Oh, it is really cold though. Oh, the train runs by there. That's so cool. That's really cool.
It's a shame to get stuck in there. That would be cool.
Yeah. I felt something drip onto my head. Oh, we're back up. Oh god, it's so cold. It's so cold.
I know.
Yeah, like the vents blowing down on us.
Give it up with special people like you. Remember, this party wouldn't be what it is.
Your mouth might be frozen.
Yeah, it's not moving.
Tiana was frozen the first time I wrote it.
Ah,
So
okay.
she's just like,